Sunday, the 8th of September 2024. The Irish National. I'm at the pen here by the Berry Board, Hurricane and Fly and Faheen and beef and salmon over there, but I can't show you because there's people over there. This is Hurricane, and he's got a touch of lemon ice, so everyone please say a prayer. It'll be okay. Keep your fingers crossed and say a few prayers, please. Maybe it's another legend, so please keep your fingers crossed that he'll be alright and things will go well and he'll get better soon. We could bear to lose another legend. Please say a prayer. Please keep your fingers crossed and just say a few prayers for Hurricane, please. We could bear to lose another legend. So say a few prayers for Hurricane. Please keep him in your thoughts, please. I really do appreciate it. Compared to losing Hurricane, compared to losing it. I lost 3 of your friends already. Compared to losing as well. It's a very emotional video. It's a very emotional video, isn't it?
Yeah.
But, do you know what? I went through the process of the video. I haven't even worn my glasses because I'm too upset. I haven't worn my glasses the whole process of the video.
Yeah.
I'm too upset to put them on. I wore them with glasses with no crying. You get all smears on them. You're covered in smears from all the tears, you know. Okay. You wouldn't be in pain, would he?
No, I wouldn't say so. I wouldn't say so.
Tell Lara. Tell Lara to do.
Yeah, sure, if you want. Later on.
Guess how much prize will he want? Just leave us on 985,000. So over €1 million.
Really?
Yeah. Loads of big races. And we'll do Faheen as well, because Faheen, yeah.
Hi.
Faheen. Thoroughbred racehorse, winning 2015 champion Hurdle. In pounds, this one over 1,100,000. You want attention, did you?
How much?
£1,100,000 sterling.
Really?
And we do Hurricane Fly.
£1,000.
It won alone as well.
Hurricane is the highest, he's the highest rated horse in here.
This Hurricane?
Yeah, 175.
Wow.
Highest record of all the legends in here.
Yeah.
That's
they were great. It was great enjoyment looking at them. Oh yeah. This guy would have won over 2 million. Oh no. So this guy won 1.8 million pounds. That's two champion boys. He's won 2 champion boys. The other me, who when I started last year.
Look at his white spot.
Oh, she might.
He nipped it. Or nipped it.
You're worried about your friends, aren't you? You're worried about your friends? You're worried about your friends? You're worried about your friends? I'll get this on my phone because I have Anna. See me talking to Beefy. I'll just send it to her on WhatsApp. She doesn't see me talk to him now. Make sure you hold the phone the right way now.
This is Sunday the 8th of September. So it's okay, got it. 2024, when the Irish are stuck there, Tanya is with Beaver Salmon.
You're very worried about your friend, aren't you? You're very worried about your friend, aren't you? Anna, a bit of devastation, you know, hurricane, maybe potential lemonitis. He's on pills. He's on pills for potential he's got lemonitis, but they're keeping us in control with tablets. So
And also bandages.
He's got bandages on his feet, and so he said a prayer. So you see, it's like emotional here. So I'm talking to your friend Beef Salmon at the moment. They're emotional wreck, as you can see. So we're getting 2 different stories. I was talking to Grania at the desk. She said I was asking about his feet, and his feet are okay. They're great. They're just looking at potential cases of lemonitis. I was asking why he's got duct tape, and he said they're just looking at potential causes of lemonitis. He's looking great. He's fine. And they had his owner in. He hadn't been in for a while, and he said the hurricane was doing great, and now it came out here. And so soon he said that he had lemonitis. He has lemonitis and he's on pills. So his feet, he's saying his feet aren't doing great. He has lemonitis and he's on pills. That's what she said. And so he has lemonitis and he's not doing great. His feet are not doing great. He has lemonitis and he's on pills. That's what she said. But they're exact words. And we're getting 2 different stories. So he's saying he's doing great. So he said the reception. Now he's saying he has lemonitis and he's on pills. So I'm here with your friend. I'm here with your friend, Beefy. Yes. You can see I'm emotional wreck. I can see why. I can see I wear my glasses. I've been crying the whole time I've been here. I've been crying. I've been literally in floods of tears. You missed all the emotion. I've been literally in floods of tears here. We had Geraldine with us, but Geraldine's gone. She's gone to her early lunch. But I've been literally emotional wreck here. I'm very concerned about Beefy. Concerned about hurricane. Please another you know, I really lost me. Please another one. Please another legend will kill me, you know, especially hurricane, especially with this record. So, you know, as you can see, I'm talking to your friend now, just to prove to you now, I am talking to your friend, so just to prove to you now, I'm here with your friend, Beaver Salmon. So, the talking to you now, he's here at the fence. So, he looks very concerned about hurricane, because he's actually looking over the fence, and he was staring at hurricane a few minutes ago. So, here he is. Yeah, I'm very concerned about your friend, aren't you? Sorry, I'm a bit emotional now. Hurricane fly, he may have lemonitis in his feet.
I don't know English.
Oh, you don't have English? Feed. Hello, Feed.
Where you going?
Very worried about him, Liv. Zoom into me a little bit. Zoom into me a little bit.
Your hands are full.
Zoom into the camcorder.
Okay. There.
Not too much. I'm not going to do something, are we?
No, not at all. You heard Sue saying you're worried or nothing.
God, I can't stand to him. It's really getting on my nerves now. I get out of here because I can't stand to him.
She's gone. Where is she?
She's over there. I'm going.
Alright, pause you.
I'll start real pissed.